Have you ever wondered how speed detection system measure the speed of vehicles on the road? In this video, I will show you how to build a simple speed measurement system using two IR sensors, Arduino and OLED display. This system calculates the speed of a moving object and display it directly on the OLED screen in kilometer per hour and meter per second. So let's get started. In this project, we use two IR sensors placed at a fixed distance from each other. When an object passes the first IR sensor, the Arduino starts measuring time. When the object reaches the second IR sensor, the Arduino stops the timer. Using the distance between the sensors and the time taken, Arduino calculates the speed. For this project, we need the following components: Arduino Uno, OLED display, two IR obstacle sensors, breadboard, and some jumper wires. Connect the VCC pin of the IR sensor with 5V of the Arduino Uno. Ground pin to ground. Connect the out pin to digital pin 2 of the Arduino Uno. In similar way, connect the other IR sensor with Arduino. Connect its out pin to digital pin 3. Connect the VCC pin of the OLED display with 5V, ground pin with ground. Connect the SDA pin with A4 and SCL pin with A5. In code, you can see 0.10. Because I have placed the IR sensor 10 cm apart. Upload the code to the Arduino Uno. Now let's see the project in action. Here you can see the OLED display showing 0 km/h, which means no object is passing the sensor. Now I will move an object through the first sensor and the second sensor. As soon as the object passes both sensors, the Arduino calculates the speed and display it on the screen. You can see the speed value appearing on the OLED display. This shows that the system is successfully measuring the speed. So this is how you can build a simple speed measurement system using Arduino Uno and IR sensors. I hope you found this project helpful. If you like this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more electronics and Arduino projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.